No.
I can.
Okay. So we are 105. And we have our own 2 set of bikes. See that couple? You get your own set of bikes. So when you check in, you get your own set of bikes because it's 44 acres, guys. 44 acres of property that we can go around. It's just absolutely stunning. So a bunch of outdoor space for your scuba, towels, whatever. And then you have your living area. They were super sweet. They bought us champagne for our honeymoon. And then just another little seating area over here. I'm telling you, these bungalows are huge. So we have a TV, which we'll never use, and a little coffee and tea for the morning. This glass table, oh my gosh, it is so cool. So we were lucky enough, you can see big old fish down there already. We were lucky enough to get a bungalow that has 6, or what she say, 8 to 12 foot?
Yeah.
So we can actually jump off the balcony, which is great. So we just have to go straight outside, right? Because that's why we're here. We got upgraded. It's our honeymoon. Matt's an ambassador at Marriott. We have gotten a whirlpool and we can look at that view. Or we could just jump into the ocean. Whatever we want. So there's a little swim deck you can step in or you can jump in, and then there's also an outdoor shower here. So that's really, really convenient. A little sitting area, so if you want to be shaded when you eat, you know, breakfast or whatever the case may be, you can be out here shaded. And let's just go this way into the bedroom if it's unlocked. I haven't checked. So another seating area where you can just lay and enjoy that beautiful, beautiful view. And the bedroom is locked.
I'll unlock it.
Matt's gonna go in and unlock it for us while we just soak this in for a minute.
Welcome to Matt's crib.
Yeah.
Welcome to my crib.
So from the bedroom, this is our view. They set us up all nice with our honeymoon. Put all these cute little things on the bed. Then we have the bathroom. So that opens up into the bathroom, which is awesome. There's this little canopy thing over the bed, which is great. And the bathroom, you guys, I love it. So we have your stand-up shower and tub. And I should have opened it up because those windows actually open up. You still have some shading. So you have that, you have that privacy still, but you can open it up and enjoy the gorgeous blue waters. Double vanity. And again, from your, another water hole, from your shower or tub, you can see straight out into this gorgeous, gorgeous view. These open up all the way or close all the way if you are more private. But again, we are on our honeymoon. So that is the tour of this deluxe over the water Otmenau view at the St. Regis Bora Bora. And I don't think anything beats it.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. And thank you for watching Traveling Franklin Style.